Okay, the day's getting on a bit, and therefore I think I'll get this done now. Okay, now, what I'm going to do is, let's see, this particular bell here, it's huge, and it's awesome. Right, let's see, where am I even going to start? Included in this particular listing is this. Did I say this? Yeah, and this, and that. So that's that. Oh, and that, and that. There you go. So, and this has got some really cool "Come On Family" crest. And another one, and you'll probably find some on the back there, I guess. And that's some really cool motify thing. What's a motif? I don't even know what a motif means. This is really cool. There you go. Look at that. And you've got right over there. So this is a Howry. Beautiful piece. I think it's silk. Feels real good. And you also get this awesome kimono also. A little bit of fluff on there. I'll lose that. Yeah, and that's really cool too. Come on, and in likelihood there's 3 on the back there too, I reckon. Yeah, there you go. Over there and over there, and there'll be one over there. Now, let us get on to this. Now, the plan was to place this all together in along with that. Let me try to clarify what I'm trying to say here. This particular bell is from the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, somewhere in that range. Now, it did come with this stand here. This is the original. Now, in order to try to get under the maximum size for sea freight or sell it on me, I'm going to do sea freight. It just couldn't happen, and no one really wants to pay for the expense of fast air. It's just not going to happen, and therefore I've decided not to include this. And there's 2 reasons for it. Because there the actual ring. That's a ring made of 2 pieces there. That's all doweled in just like that. Now, the ring that was originally on here is missing, and therefore I figure, alright, I'm happy to keep this anyways. And I've got another really big cushion I'm going to place on there, and one day if I do find another bell of a particular size, I might complement that, and I'll keep it. Right, place that on there. I'll do something about that at some stage, or maybe I'll sell it separately or something. But anyways, now let us have a look at, right, so you get all this stuff here, and the 2 kimonos, the Howry and the kimono. Now, this kanji here, now that's tei, that means hand, that little one there. I had to get a few people to help me out with this one. Now, let us just go to my notes thingy here, and where are my notes go? Just really organised. Alright, here we go. Now, it's from, that says handmade, and it comes from the Zen Ryo Ji. Ji is temple, Zen Ryo, so it's the dragon, Zen dragon temple. So that's just way cool, and it's, as you can see, it's sort of, well, it's just fantastic, isn't it? Look at that. It's just wild. Yeah, hundreds of years old. And it's just beautiful. That's just a just a little mark or something. I'll clean that off if you wanted to. That's just dirt, you see. That's a ring of dirt. That's all it is. But I don't want to clean it. I just got the air hose out and blew out some dust, and that's all I did with it. And it's beautiful. Now, what I did was I got some old, this is called kashinonki, this is really old wood, and this comes from some old wood thing over there. And what I did was I made up this little thing, and I've got a whole bunch of antique kimono material. Oh, I've been to the auctions again, haven't I? I just can't help myself. Bad habits when I'm driving my car. Yeah. Just bought eight of these sake jugs. Just ridiculous. Kimono material, as you see. Old school kimono material, got loads of it, and so I just chopped that up a bit and made that. And I figure that will we'll see if it works. Does it work? This bell is huge. It's 33 centimeters from here to here. And tall, it's 240 mil 24 centimeters. Right, that's what it is. If I was a little bit more organized, I would have. So I was thinking of actually utilizing this cushion, but I decided to go with its original. Oh, just check out my vids in time. Got some awesome shime daikos. I'm gonna clean those up. These just wild things. I'll get around to that. And there's a World War II banner going. The war banner. That's a go board rest there. And there's a couple of taiko drums over here. And I've got a wild saw. Actually, I've got two. And all these jug things. I've got another tansu thing here, and I've got another furugama over there. There's a chap that's interested in furugama, one I have listed, but so don't worry, if someone buys it, I'll list that one. Got just some cool stuff, and it just keeps growing. I don't know what to do. Can't help myself. Bad habits. I don't even know why I bought. See that? I bought that, right? And I bought another one, over there. I just couldn't help myself. I really like all this. What do you call this stuff? Mother of pearl stuff. It's just awesome. Still got the tags on it from the sellers. Anyways, yeah, I reckon I'll keep that with that and do something with that at some stage. Okay, so the bell itself. Okay, I was babbling on about. It's what, it's 33 centimeters. I actually got the level onto it. And I've got the level on it and checked that, and what did I say, 24, was it? 24 from, not with the cushion, on its own. So the bell alone is 24 centimeters. Right, now, the sound is just tremendous, isn't it? It's perfect. Say so myself. I reckon I've done a pretty nice job with this. Yeah. Oh my. That's it. Price going up. Right, so you receive this beautiful thing here. That's just name taggy things inside there. Got a few of those, and I have my Buddhisty things over here. So I just grabbed whichever one. So you receive this one. That's from the National Treasures series. And yeah, I've got a few of those thingies. They're like, $12 a throw. Just those thingies. Made a few inclusions there. So you get all this wonderful stuff, and a top bell from the Zen Dragon Temple. Yeah. I suggest don't clean it up. See all the bronzing, all the patina coming through. That's all aging. Yep, that's all just absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Right, that's that. Okay, I'm going to move on to that bell over there, I guess.